Hello everyone. Today we will discuss short answer questions. Exam short answer questions. So these short answer questions are very important. Types of cartilages. Next one limb. Next one multipolar neuron. Next one general characters of arachnida. So they are the very important questions in IP exam. First question, types of cartilages. First question paper, third question, fourth question, types of cartilages. Types of cartilages. So the cartilage is a solid. Cartilage is a solid. So they are the skeletal connective tissue. Skeletal connective tissue. It is a solid skeletal connective tissue. Skeletal connective tissue. Connective tissue. But it is a flexible. It is a flexible. It is a flexible. So the cartilages are the solid and it is the cartilages of the skeletal tissue. So it is a skeletal connective tissue, but it is a flexible. It is a flexible. It is three types. It is three types. So cartilages are the three types. Cartilages are the solid skeletal connective tissue and it is a flexible. Next one, the cartilages are the three types. Cartilages are the three types. First one, hyaline cartilage. First one, hyaline cartilage. First one, hyaline cartilage. First one, hyaline cartilage. So the hyaline cartilage is a bluish white color. It is a bluish white color. Bluish white color and glass like. So it is a bluish white color, glass like structure. It is a bluish white color and glass like cartilage. Glass like cartilage. Glass like cartilage. Next one, it is a weakest cartilage with small collagen fibers. It is a weakest cartilage with small collagen fibers. Small collagen fibers. Small collagen fibers. Small collagen. So it is a weak cartilage. The weak cartilage within small collagen fibers. So the presenting in the small collagen fibers, so they are called as weak cartilage. Next one, pericardium is absent except articular cartilage. Pericardium is absent. Pericardium is present except articular cartilage. Pericardium is present. Pericardium is present except articular cartilage. Except articular cartilage. Example, so the trachea and the larynx rings. Example, cartilages of the larynx and tracheal rings. Cartilages of the example, cartilages of larynx and tracheal rings. Tracheal rings. Larynx and tracheal rings. So they are the hyaline cartilage. Next one, elastic cartilage. Second one, elastic cartilage. Elastic cartilage. Elastic cartilage means, so these are the yellowish color. It is a yellowish color. Yellowish color. So the elastic cartilage, yellowish color. Next one, it contains elastic fibers with collagen fibers. It contain elastic fibers, along collagen fibers, It contains elastic fibers along collagen fibers. Next one, pericardium is present. Pericardium is present. Example, ear pinna and epiglottis. Example, ear pinna and epiglottis. Ear pinna and epiglottis. So they are the elastic cartilage. Next one, third one, fibrous cartilage. Fibrous cartilage. So fibrous cartilage, it is a strongest cartilage. It is a strongest cartilage. And they presenting in the strongest cartilage, and pericardium is absent. Next one, it contains many collagen fibers. It contains many collagen fibers. Example, the intervertebral discs. Intervertebral discs. Intervertebral disc means, so the connection between the vertebral column. So the vertebral column contains a vertebral disc, connection between the one vertebra to another vertebra. So they are the intervertebral disc. So they are the types of cartilage. So three types of the cartilage, and this few words and examples, and draw the diagram. So they are the hyaline, elastic cartilage, hyaline cartilage, and fibrous cartilage. Next question, lymph. Next one, lymph. Next one, fifth question, lymph. So the lymph is a colorless fluid. It is a colorless fluid. Next one, RBC means red blood cells, platelets, large plasma proteins. Large plasma proteins are absent. The RBC, platelets, and large plasma proteins are absent. Next one, it contains more CO2. It contains more CO2 and less amount of O2 and nutrients. Less amount of O2 and nutrients. It has more amount of CO2, less amount of O2 and nutrients. Next one, lymph is formed at the interstitial space of the tissue. Lymph is formed at the interstitial space of tissue. The lymph is formed by the interstitial space of the tissues. tissue. Next one, at arteriolar end. At arterial end, water solutes and low molecular weight proteins are filtered. Low molecular weight proteins are filtered. Low molecular weight, the arteriolar ends means atrial ends, the water solutes and low molecular weight proteins are filtered into the interstitial space. Interstitial space from the blood. Interstitial space from the blood. So the blood, the atriolar end, the ending regions. So the water solutes, low molecular weight proteins are filtered into the interstitial space. So the most quantity returns to blood. The most quantity returns to blood. The most quantity returns to blood. The most quantity of interstitial space fluid, they returns to the blood. The remaining small quantity, small quantity of fluid enters into the lymph vessels, lymph capillaries and lymph nodes. Into the lymph capillaries, lymph vessels and lymph nodes. Once the fluid enters into the lymph capillaries or lymph vessels and lymph nodes, so these are called as lymph. So these are the lymph. Once revised. So the lymph is a colorless fluid. So it has RBC, platelets and large plasma proteins are absent. It contains more CO2 and less amount of O2 and nutrients. Next one, the lymph is formed by the interstitial space of the tissues. The blood atrial end, water solutes, large plasma proteins are filtered into the interstitial space from the blood. The more quantity returns to the large amount of interstitial space enters into the blood. The remaining small quantity of blood enters into the lymph vessels, lymph capillaries and lymph ducts. So these are called as lymph. See the detailed, the normal online classes. Next question, multipolar neuron. The next question, multipolar neuron. So the neurons are the functional unit of the nervous tissue. Neurons are the functional unit of the nervous tissue. Neurons are the functional units of nervous tissue. So the neurons are the functional unit of the nervous tissue. It has a initiation and transmit the impulse. Initiate and transmit impulse. Transmit the impulse initiation and transmit the impulse. Next one, the multipolar neuron contain 3 parts. Multipolar neuron contain 3 parts. It contains three parts. It contains three parts. First one cell body. First one cell body. Second one dendrites. Dendrites. Third one axon. Cell body, dendrites and axon. Draw the diagram. First one, compulsory in exam, draw this diagram. So multipolar neuron, cell body. So these are the cell body. Cell body. First one, cell body. Cell body, it is a large and it contains more cytoplasm. It is a large and it contains more cytoplasm. It has more cytoplasm. The cell body contains more cytoplasm and large spherical nucleus. Large spherical nucleus. It contains large spherical nucleus and nissal bodies. It contains nissal bodies. First one, cell body is a it contains more cytoplasm. It contains more cytoplasm, large spherical nucleus and nissal bodies. Second one, dendrites. Second one, dendrites. So dendrites, it is a short branched process. Dendrites. So they are the dendrites. 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 So the dendrites are the short branched process. Short branches. Dendrites are the short branched process. Next one, it's the transmit the electrical impulse towards the cell body. Transmit the electrical impulse towards the cell body. So these are the dendrites. Third one, so these are the axon. Third one, these are the axon. So it is a single long cylindrical process. It is a single long cylindrical process. Next one, the posterior end branches divided into fine filaments. Divided into fine filaments. So these fine filaments is called as telodendria. The fine filaments is called as telodendria. So the fine filaments is called as telodendria. So these telodendria contain a synaptic nerves. The telodendria contain a synaptic nerves. So these synaptic nerves contain a neurotransmitters. The synaptic nerve contain a neurotransmitters. So these are the multipolar neurons. The multipolar neuron contain a three parts: cell body, dendrites, axon. First one, cell body. So the cell body contain a more cytoplasm. First point, cell body contain more cytoplasm. Second point, it contain large spherical nucleus. Third point, it contain nissal bodies. It contain nissal bodies. Second side heading, dendrites. So the dendrites are the short branched process. Dendrites are the short branched process. Next point, it initiate, it transmit the electrical impulse towards the cell body. Transmit electrical impulse towards the cell body. Next one, third side heading, axon. So these are the axon. Axon, first point, it is a long cylindrical process. It is a single long cylindrical process. The cytoplasm is called as axoplasm. The axon cytoplasm is called as axoplasm. Next one, the axon terminal end, they are divided into fine filament branches. That branches is called as the axon terminals. Terminal filaments are axon terminals. So these ending region, they contain a nerves, button like nerves. So they are called as synaptic nerves. That synaptic nerves contain a neurotransmitters. So they are the multipolar neuron. Next question, crustaceans. General characters of crustaceans. Next question, crustaceans. General characters of crustaceans. General characters of crustaceans. So the crustaceans are the aquatic arthropods. Crustaceans are the aquatic. Crustaceans are the aquatic arthropods. Next one, head and thorax fuse to form the cephalothorax. Next point, head and thorax fuse to form cephalothorax. Head and thorax. Head and thorax. These two fuse to form the cephalothorax. Next one, the crustacean's body exoskeleton is hard. So they are formed by the calcium carbonate. In some exoskeleton hardened. In some exoskeleton is hardened. In some exoskeleton is hardened. So is formed by calcium carbonate. Calcium carbonate is formed by the calcium carbonate. It is formed by the calcium carbonate. Next one, respiratory organs are gills. Respiratory organs are gills. Respiratory organs are gills. The crustaceans respiratory organs are gills. Next one, the crustacean excretory organs are green glands are antennary glands. Excretory organs are green glands are antennary glands. Excretory organs are green glands are antennary glands. Antennary glands. Green glands are under the excretory organs are green glands are antennary glands. Next one, the sensory organs are antennae and compound eyes. Sensory organs are antennae and compound eyes. Sensory organs. Sensory organs are antennae and compound eyes. Compound eyes. Compound eyes. So etc. Antennae and compound eyes, etc. So example, prawn. So the freshwater prawn, Palaemnius. Example, prawn. Example, prawn and crab. Example, prawn, crab. Example, prawn and crab. So they are the crustacean general characters. Few characters. First one, so the crustaceans are the aquatic arthropods. Crustaceans are the aquatic arthropods. Next point, head and thorax. These two fusion from the cephalothorax. These two fusion from the cephalothorax. In some crustaceans, the body, the exoskeleton is hard. So this hard is made by the calcium carbonate. Made by the calcium carbonate. And respiratory organs are gills. Excretory organs are the green glands are antennary glands. Green glands are antennary glands. Next one, so the sensory organs are the antennae and compound eyes. Example, prawn and crab. Next question, so the characters of arachnida. Next one, silent features are exhibited by the arachnida. Next, 8th question, arachnida. Arachnida. So the arachnida, so these animals are the terrestrial animals. So these are the terrestrial animals. Terrestrial animals. Terrestrial animals. It includes spiders and scorpions. It includes spiders and scorpions. Spiders and scorpions. It includes the spiders and scorpions. Next one, the prosoma has one pair of the prosoma has one pair of chelicerae, one pair of pedipalpi. Prosoma has one pair of chelicerae, one pair of chelicerae. Next one pair of pedipalpi. One pair of pedipalpi. One pair of chelicerae and one pair of the pedipalpi. Next one, 4 pairs of walking legs. 4 pairs of walking legs. 4 pairs of walking legs. Next one, so the respiratory organs are respiratory organs, book, lungs and trachea. Respiratory organs are the book, lungs and trachea. Respiratory organs are book, lungs or trachea. Book, lungs or trachea. Book, lungs or trachea. Next one, excretory organs. Excretory organs are the Malpighian tubules, Malpighian tubules are antennary glands. Malpighian tubules are coxal glands. Malpighian tubules are coxal glands. Malpighian tubules are coxal glands. Next one, it is a direct development. It is a direct development. The direct development. Example, scorpion. Example, scorpion and spider. Example, scorpion and spider. Scorpion and spider. So they are the characters of the general characters of arachnida. So the arachnids are the terrestrial animals. So these arachnida include the spiders and scorpions. So the prosoma means thorax region. So the prosoma, they contain one pair of chelicera, one pair of pedipalpi. Next one, 4 pair of walking legs. Next one, respiratory organs are the book, lungs or trachea. Excretory organs are the Malpighian tubules or coxal glands. Next one, development is direct development. Development is direct development. Example, scorpion and spider. Scorpion and spider. So they are the 5 short answers in annual IP exam. Very important questions. Next class we will discuss long answers.